All right, this one got a little thin on the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hope 5. Here we go. This is a fun design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it helped 7. All right, here we go. This one had some trouble printing because of the orientation of it. 1. 1. Holds 1. I wonder if it would. If we could do it upside down. No.
None.
Okay. It holds 1. All right. This one's a reprint. First printing didn't turn out so well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 7 or 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, it sunk at 12. All right, here we go. Next boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 was the number. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. Oh, 20.
I did not.
All right, let's go ahead and put it in. Uno. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it holds 5.